Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do an unboxing here for the Amazon thumbsticks. Now I got these because I wanted to change the look of my controller. As you can see, I have the red LED. Also have the red thumbsticks from Scuf. I love these. It's just I wanted to change up the look again. It's going to change up the back buttons and then the arrow keys. And then I'm also change out these ones also. So we're going to do an unboxing of that. But you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel because we pre-ordered the PlayStation 5 controller, the Edge. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it good on this. But it came out to be $211. Well, basically $212. So I pre-ordered it. I also pre-ordered the thumbsticks, the removable thumbsticks. So we're doing unboxing. Then we're going to do a versus, you know, the Elite controller versus the Edge controller from PlayStation 5. We'll be able to do a competition between them both, and then I'll post that up on my second channel, which is Gamer Menace. You guys should definitely check that out and subscribe to that channel when I do the versus. I still got to do the versus, the backbones for the Xbox and the PlayStation backbone. See which one you should get. So that's the one right there and the one over here. So yeah, I got to do a lot on my my second channel to post up. So but just right now, I've just been so busy playing games and trying to figure out, you know, what to record and post for you guys. Because I'm trying to make my Gamer Menace over 1,000 subscribers also. So I can post up all my electronics there. But for right now, everything's just going to be posted up on the Sport Bike Menace because I make money off of it. I don't even think I can open this up with one hand. I'm going to grab my handy dandy knife. And then yeah, I'm trying to also get the new HomePod because I have 3 HomePod minis, but I'm trying to get the main one because don't get me wrong, I love my HomePod minis, but they're not loud enough. I want them louder. So the new HomePod is gonna be perfect for what I want. That stuff is expensive too. I want to get a second monitor for my computer. But this desk is small, so I would love to buy me a bigger desk, put 2 monitors. So there's a lot of electronics that I want to do unboxing and reviews on, but I wanted to post it up on my Gamer Menace instead of my my motorcycle channel. As a matter of fact, I'm just put you guys down. Give me 1 second to open this up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now again, I don't got much light. So it has its own carrying case, which is nice. Again, I'm trying to show it off on the light. It's like, it looks like a burgundy. Oh, there it goes, I dropped it. So it looks like a burgundy red. On the pictures, it does look a little different compared to what they shipped it with. It also has the tool, just in case I guess you didn't have the tool to tighten up your thumbsticks or the joystick, or however you want to call it. So anyways, so to show you guys, these has the red bottom pieces, not that red head. Now, is these are going to be the same quality as the original? I don't know. That's why I have my case here to match them up. We also have these ones, the back buttons, the paddles. See how those look like. I hope y'all New Year's is, you know, starting off good. So far for me, it's been good. But anyway, so here's the 4 paddles. But I don't use the this one. I don't even really use. But again, once I get the stuff out of here, I'll be able to, you know, show you guys the difference between the one and the other. try to pull them all out of the case. Then we can match it up to what the Xbox brings in their case. Okay, so they consider this a 13 piece, including each paddle. So there's 13 in total. So now we're gonna open up the carrying case to see what I have in the carrying case. Now again, so I have the extras here for the SCUF controllers, the sizes that I don't use. So I have 2 of them, so that's extras just in case I need them. And again, here's the original Xbox stuff. So the original comes with, there's 6 thumbsticks, then that's 4, so that's 10 right there, 11, and we got 12. So there's 12. Oh no, and there was counting this too. I forgot they were counting this. That's 13. So yeah, it's 13. So you know, they're matching one from the other. But again, like the quality, it seems like it's the same until I don't really use like these are the flat surface ones. I definitely don't use those. The ones that I use are the ones with the sharp edges and then the short. My hands are not big to where I need the big ones. So this one is the one I would use. So we'll try to find one that that feels the same as that. Matter of fact, this one. Right. I'll get you in the sunlight. So they feel the same. Yep, they feel the same. The only difference is that these ones are painted and these ones are silver, or you can call them silver or chrome. So we're gonna put that on the controller and see how they look. So again, the good thing about this is just an easy on, easy off type of deal. Got that. Oh, and then these ones, so these ones don't feel like, these are metal, but they're not as heavy compared to these ones. These ones are heavier. So we got that. Now we just gotta put the paddles in the back. Let's see if I can remember which side goes to which side. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I forgot. There we go. Oh, I think that's actually the opposite. These ones go up top, I think. Yep, let's go up top. That goes right in there. Don't tell me they gave me 2 of the same. Yeah, that one I'm putting them wrong. 1 or 2. No, I did it wrong. I think they go facing downwards. Hold on. Now I'm lost. Alright, matter of fact, we'll be right back once it's all set up. I'll be back. Alright, we're finally back. I got it done. So you guys can see the red right there, and here's the red down there. Like I said, in the light, it looks better compared to I was doing it in the dark. Now the way they feel, I mean, they feel normal, but I guess like what time will tell. And they do have a different noise when they hit the edges compared to, and I'm gonna show you guys, compared to the SCUF ones. I'm guessing they're using different metal pieces in this part right here. I know you guys probably not through the camera, but I can tell the difference between one material and another when you hit the plastic. It has, this one has a deeper knock to it, and this has a higher pitch knock, so they're different materials. And don't get me wrong, the scuff ones, when I'm trying to run, I just don't know if it's because of the thickness or how thick or how thin it is. When you have to press down and run in the game, it doesn't feel as good. Now again, I won't know until I try these ones on. I never even used my original ones. I left them here because I wanted to protect them. You know, at you know, I say in a pinch, I'll use them. But if I don't have to, I'm not. But yeah, anyways, guys, so that was basically, that was it. You know, here's all the stuff. Then I gotta put my stuff away. But yeah, and the good thing, it comes with a carrying case, so you just put all the stuff back that you're not going to use, or if you're going to just travel with it, you can put it here. So that's convenient. And again, I got this on Amazon, so if you guys want to check those out, I hope I was able to help somebody out, you know, who wanted to spice things up with their colors, or their thumbsticks are going bad. And again, I'm going to do an unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Edge. And I'm going to do a review of the Elite and the Edge. I'm trying to get that HomePod also, because I got, like I said, I got 3 of them. There's one. I think I got one on the other side, and then the other one over there. So I already spent $300. No, I'm lying to you. All right, so I got the one here, one there, and the other one down there. So I'm trying to get that HomePod, because it's gonna be, it's a bigger HomePod. It should have more sound, much nicer. So I want to do that for you guys and for myself too. But yeah, for the fact, you guys should subscribe to the channel. You know, I hope you guys are enjoying your New Year's, enjoying life. Be happy, find happiness in every way you possible, as long as you're doing it healthy. Enjoy life, be happy. And everybody who's going to be riding motorcycles that already started riding, ATL up, you know, from Florida, from because Florida's, they got good weather. South Carolina, Virginia, all the ones that are close by to Florida. My brain's on sleep mode. But yeah, all the good spots that are riding, you ride safe, be safe. Let's make sure that, you know, a lot of us come back home to our families, and, you know, to make more memories. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video.